Heather, it's me, your sister, and you won't believe what happened this morning. So, I guess the AC unit, the new one, is like super like stealth, quiet, or whatever. I don't know. So, this morning I had just woke up. I'm on the couch, like looking through my phone. I hear a sneeze. Here, I feel a sneeze coming on, and my sneeze is like, for me to be 5'3", 170 pounds. And to be like a short person, I'm a little short person. You know, you call me a little troll. For me to be so short, my sneezes sound like they should belong to like Bigfoot or something. So I sneezed, and immediately the alarm goes off. Like my sneeze is so loud, the alarm goes off. That's never happened before. I thought that was so funny. Oh my gosh. So I got a kick out of that. So I go turn off the alarm. I'm very calm. I turn off the alarm. And I think about it. I'm like, wait a minute. What if it was just a coincidence that I sneezed just as like the robber was like getting ready to knock on the window in the kitchen, because it was the glass break sensor in the kitchen, and I was in the living room. So I don't know. So like maybe a robber was like, I'm going to break, and an alarm goes off because I sneeze, or I don't know. So then I thought about it. I was like, maybe I should go to the back bedroom and let Leo check things out. Benefit 189 for having a husband. When the alarm goes off, he must go and figure out what happened. Oh man, too funny.